Well, hello, my pretties, and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. If you thought I wasn't going to make an appearance, well, the joke's on you, my pretty. If you hadn't subscribed, go do so now and hit that bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. Okay, guys, so I'm kind of excited about this one. I wasn't going to get this one, but then it looked really cute, so I went ahead and got it. So let's dive into this one. See, it's been a while since I've gotten one, I think. Or did I? No, I think I got one last month. No, I stopped getting them for a little bit. I just couldn't resist this time around. And look at the big old box. Nice, pretty big box. It's a huge box compared to usual. So diving right in, this is the box. It's because of the makeup brushes. So first off, I've been hearing a lot about this brand as far as an indie brand, Illuminati. Remember, I don't know if you in a past box I got the eyeliners, but I think it was a different box. But anyway, so we got the Illuminati quad palette. They're browns, beige, kind of just neutrals. And then we have the eyeliners, which I've gotten these before. I guess it's the same color. Yeah, it's a blue and a pink. Oh, okay, cute. This one is a little sponge. Let me take it out of the little thing for you guys. This is a sponge. I don't know if you can see that, but it's so cute. It has little ghost prints on it. I like it. Way to go, Glow Addict. Way to go with the cuteness. There we go. And I just have to say my favorite witch is the Wicked Witch of the West. She's the best. What's her name? Margaret Hamilton. Like, nobody can top her witch, and she's just the best. I love her, but there's no replicating her, so I didn't even try. But she did influence me. So next up is Enchanted Glam Dreamy Complexion Kit. It's 3 pieces. The rainbow, the little unicorn thing. It says it's a powder brush. So it's the Dreamy Complexion Kit includes essential brushes featuring multicolored vegan brushes. It's everything you need to create a beautifully blended, bewitchingly flawless look. Achieve an unforgettable look with the right brushes. That's true though. The brush does make a difference. Not vouch for these just yet, but Kala, we've gotten this brand before. I'm starting to like this brand some. I did end up using the tweezers from this brand, and they were okay. So we got the powder brush, the angled blush brush, and a foundation brush. So what is all this mess? Had a party without me? I'll show them. Okay, and up next we have some pigments. It's pink, hot pink. Well, I guess neon pink, neon orange, neon yellow, neon green, and neon blue, which I will get into these with y'all on a later date. I really want to pay attention to these, but since I'm already kind of covered in makeup, I think this is going to get our undivided attention possibly, or at least more attention than it's going to get in this one. And a little bit of bubble wrap. So that looks to be it for this one. Ooh. And I thought it was going to be a little cuter, but I'm still very happy with this box. I think the little ghost won me over. That's all it takes. And throw me some makeup, a lot of makeup. I was going to say a little bit of makeup. Throw me a lot of makeup too. I'll be happy. Wish I knew what brand this was so I could reorder if I like it. So my pretties, and that concludes today's show. Thank you for joining me. Stay tuned for next time's excitement.